So who are these exchange students from around the world who are betting on the United States this year? Who are these kids who are packing their suitcases, boarding airplanes, and traveling all the way around the world to meet their host families in the middle of a pandemic? In this video, you're going to meet a student from the Czech Republic who will tell you why she decided to go ahead with her plans. My name is Brenda. I'm a specialist in cultural diversity, and on this channel, we make videos about all aspects of cultural diversity. Our aim is to make your life more fun and more fascinating. So let's meet Tina. She's from Czech Republic. She's going to explain to us why she decided to go ahead and continue with her plans for exchange in the United States this year. She's going to Oklahoma, by the way. Tina's going to tell you why. I want you to listen really carefully. Notice her attitude. Is it positive? Is it negative? Do you think her expectations are realistic or unrealistic? I'll let you be the judge.
Hello, my name is Tina and I'm 16. I come from the Czech Republic, and this year I decided to be an exchange student, even though we're in the middle of a pandemic. And I'd like to share my reasons with everyone. First of all, I always wanted to live in a different country and explore a very different culture by myself, and I wanted to come to the USA for a long time and experience new things. So this opportunity is a dream come true for me. Second of all, I wanted to meet new people and make new friends. And third of all, I wanted to practice my English because I believe it's very important to practice the language outside of classroom in real life. My last reason is I know that this situation isn't the best right now, but hopefully it will get better. And I have insurance and I don't mind wearing a mask at all. And we consulted this situation with my parents and they were okay. So this is why I decided to come to the USA. This will definitely be the best year of my life regardless of the pandemic. Thank you.
So what did you notice? I hear realistic expectations. She recognizes that this is not the best situation, but I also hear optimism. She's expecting to have the best year of her life. Tina is a great example of how the pandemic is shaping students' expectations this year. They are acutely aware of the situation. But what we're seeing is that they are prepared to make the best of the situation. And the best part of all is that they're excited to just live with an American host family and find out what everyday life is like in the United States. Welcome to the United States, Tina, and congratulations to the wonderful family that's invited you to spend this year with them in Oklahoma. Thank you for joining us. If you'd like more stories of students who are braving the pandemic to come to the United States this year, stick with this playlist. And why not subscribe to this channel? We're making new videos all the time. See you soon.